Welcome to our full guide on connecting your Verizon remote to your TV. Today, we'll walk you through each step to make this process seamless. First, let's check if your TV is compatible with your Verizon remote. Look for a compatibility list online or check your TV manual. Gather all necessary equipment, including your Verizon remote, compatible TV, and any user manuals you may need. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step guide for pairing your Verizon remote to your TV. Follow these simple instructions closely. If you're having trouble connecting, don't worry. Here are some common issues and how to resolve them. Let's take a moment to understand the various functions and features of your Verizon remote to maximize your usage. Each TV brand requires different programming methods. Here's how to program your remote for the most popular models. Want more control? Let's explore some advanced settings to customize your remote for an even better experience. Proper maintenance is key. Here are some quick tips to keep your Verizon remote and TV setup in top shape. Thanks for watching. For more detailed help or resources, feel free to check the links in the description. Happy viewing!